can use product blocks to display your store page items on other pages or posts. It's a great way to promote your products across your site, or to make a uniquely styled store page. The block will update automatically when you edit the original product on the store page. To add a product block, click Edit when viewing a page or post. Click Add Block, then choose Product. Navigate to the block editor to configure it. In the search bar, enter your product's name. Then select it in the search results. You can customize how the product's details appear by choosing them under Elements. You can also click Design to customize how the block looks. When you're finished, click Save. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.